Hello, lovely people. I welcome you once again to Bright and Clara's channel. Thank you all for clicking. This is episode 12 on Project Sunshine. All right. So let's dive into the video and let's see what we've done so far. In your view is a beautiful 3D representation of the 4-bedroom house. We have 3 bedrooms in the ground floor and 1 bedroom at the rooftop. That makes it a roof terrace house. Okay, it's a hidden roof as you see, and it's gonna come with some gutters at the back. Okay, and initially we plan to have a swimming pool, but then as of now the swimming pool have been halted until further notice. For now, what we have done so far is what I'm going to share with you in the video. All right, so in the view is the decking work that we showed you in episode 11, and now the electricians are on board to position their pipes, okay, as per the design. The plumber has also placed in the drainage pipes. The reason we do all this is because we don't want any pipe hanging on the wall. Okay, we don't want to have any pipe, dangling and dancing on the wall when you have a beautiful house seated and then you have pipes running here and there. No, all the pipes should be hidden. You understand? All pipes should be hidden. So I don't know why people do that and then they show all the pipes. Why can't you hide all the pipes in the wall? Or you create a duct and then all the pipes are in there. It's easily accessible whenever there's an issue. They can just open the duct and access it. You understand? So that is one factor. So electricians are on board doing their bit, and the carpenters have also placed the board along the peripheral, the edges. They've placed those board and they've given it the gauge. So those board you see there are not just the board, they are beam plate. Okay, we call them beam plate. And this beam plate gives the gauge at which the concrete should be cast. You understand? So that is the thickness of the concrete, which is 6 inches. The thickness of the concrete is 6 inches. Certain places they go 8 inches, 9 inches. Even here in Dubai, they can go even up to 10 inches because of the quality they are looking for. The higher up the building, they have the inches dropping. You understand? You don't know to put excess load on the building. So they do that all the time. Thickness is very, very important. Standardly, we do 6 inches for the thickness. Okay. All right. So in your view, again, the plumber is positioning all the rain gutters. Electricians have worked on all the light, master bedroom, other bedrooms, kitchen, okay, even the living area. All those areas that have been slapped, they need to put piping works. Okay, and we do all this before we cast the concrete. Whatever lighting system you're going to do, once you're doing your decking, you're supposed to place in all the pipes before you cast the concrete. If you don't do that and they cast the concrete, it means that underneath the concrete you're going to be putting everything on a surface, which is going to be a surface wiring, or they'll still do it on the surface and do a plasterboard so it is within. You understand? But we prefer to put it in the concrete and then it is cast. Yeah, so that's what we are doing. So plumbing, type of materials he's using, PPR. Those are all pressure pipes. Supply lines are hot and cold. We're gonna be having solar water heater. So the hot water will be extended to all the rooms and kitchen. You don't need a water heater separately in each and every room. That's gonna cost you a lot of bills. Okay, so having just one water heater will supply the entire room with hot water. Okay, so that's what we need. Yeah, that's what we need. So Sunny Ibrahim is working on his plumbing works. Okay, positioning is more important. Positioning is key. So again, for those who don't know, my name is Mr. Bright Antonio. I am the CEO of B&C Constructions Limited. My mobile number is on the screen. I'm here in Dubai and I work with Dubai Electricity. And so probably you might try to call me direct. It might not come through. But if you chat me on WhatsApp, yes, most definitely you will get in chat with me and we can do a video call. We can do a voice call and then you get to know me better. And then from there, I'll prepare an estimate for you. And then once the estimate is approved, we can go and build your dream house for you. So it's one step at a time. One step at a time. All right, so here we have the pillar supporting the slab, which is very, very important at the front of on the side of the house, which is towards the swimming pool area. You understand? So basically that is the beam and the column supporting it. You see that the reinforcement, that is solid. That is solid. So for my still facer, man, I trust him. He does a wonderful job. Okay, he does a wonderful job, and I always admire him for his effort. He lives in Kumasi, and I have to transport him all the time from Kumasi to Accra. Because of his quality, I have to go and fetch him out from there. You understand? Yes, he does a quality job. He doesn't joke with his work at all. He doesn't joke with his work at all. So Mr. Hammond is the electrical engineer, and he has come on board to position all the lighting circuit. Mr. Frank Hammond is an electrical engineer. He has a degree in electrical engineering, and he has also been given a license to operate as an electrical engineer from the Institute of Electrical Engineers in Ghana. So he has a license, he has a permit to work. A lot of people do not have a permit to work, but they are working for you, and that is illegal. We need to follow the process. Once you are employing an electrician or electrical engineer to do the wiring of your house, that is delicate. You need to find out, are you certified? Do you have a license? So that in case of anything, their license can be revoked. You understand? They can take away their license. Mostly in Ghana, we don't check all those things. We just, okay, you have an electrician, bring him, let me come and do the wiring. And then the guy comes and he starts working. There's nothing like you checking his status, his previous work experiences. You need to check all of that. And then you need to know that, okay, based on this merit, I'm going to give you this job for you to do. You understand? People only looking at the estimate. Oh, his price is down. Your price is up. Okay, I'm giving it to the one who is down. You see, this kind of blind side, things you're doing is causing you a lot of problems. Whereas somewhere in the States or Europe, they will check your credibility, they will check your license and know if you are a responsible person before they begin to give you a contract. You understand? But here in this part of the world, it's always about the estimate. Whose estimate is cheaper? Once it is cheaper, we're going to go for that one. And it is wrong. Okay, in as much as you want to cut down costs, you need to look at the quality, you need to investigate the person, you need to know more about the previous work that is done, get some references, and then you are able to invest in that person by giving him the permit to work on your property. You understand? So it is more important. And I have been able to showcase my works for you to see via on the YouTube channel. And then also you get to know me, you understand who I am. And I believe, you don't have any issue. I think someone mentioned about trust issue. And I was like, this person doesn't really know me. He needs to go back and watch my video from where I started from and where I'm going now. Okay, it's not easy at all. We've journeyed a long way. A lot has been done, and we are still doing our bit day by day. Okay. If someone needs someone to do the borehole drilling, please contact my cousin. My cousin is Jonathan Amwa. He does borehole drilling. He does water treatment, sales of pumps, reverse osmosis, and water consultation. Please contact him, and he will assist you. And you will come and tag me. You will come and tag me later. So you can see that the electrical piping have been positioned the way that they're not supposed to move. So they've put them with nails in position. They've held them in position with nails. So they don't have to move. If they do, it will distort the position of the light within the room in a different area, and it will not be in line. You understand? Yes. Here too, we have the front terrace. The rain gutters also done neatly to also take water from the top all the way to the ground. You understand? So the plumbing works done neatly. It's done neatly. Okay. So if you need our services, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are always available, and we are here to put a smile on the faces of people. Okay. A lot of projects I have done so many of them, and some of them I've lost track of them. Some of them actually did not even contact me, but they were using my artisans via on the channel. That also I'm grateful for. All you have to do is notify me first. Don't wait till there's an issue before you call me. If not, I will not mind you. You understand? Notify me that Mr. Bright, I'm using XYZ for my project. So if anything, I'll definitely let you know. And then the team will also be aware that Mr. Bright knows where we are now. So yeah, we're not going to mess up. Are you with me? It is important. So let's say congratulations to the steel bender. He's done a wonderful job. And then also we move to the carpenter. Now the carpenters have placed the board for the stairs. They've placed their boards individually. Okay, and that is looking beautiful. So the next thing now is we are ready for casting, because the carpenter is done. The steel bender is also done with his work, and then the plumber is also done with his work. So the next move right now is to bring in the concrete mixture and start casting. So in your view, we've started casting the decking. Materials being used: waterproof chemical, cement 42.5R. We have our sand, and we mix it with river sand. Okay, we have a normal sand, but we mix it with river sand because of the quality we are looking for. It will give it that rich texture, rough surface, so beautiful. And look at the concrete. The cement quality in there will tell you. If you're looking at the color of the concrete, to tell you the amount of cement that has gone in there. You understand? People don't, value quality. That is why it pity me that when people say, "Oh, Mr. Bright, I'm going to go someone whose price is a little bit more cheaper," I said, "Okay, that's your problem." So we've done our best. We've done our best, and there's not going to be any leakage anyway. You will be fine from now up to the end of this year. There's no issue here. We have moved past this stage. You understand? We have moved past this stage. So again, my name is Mr. Bright. I am the CEO of B&C Constructions Limited. My mobile number is on the screen. Reach out to me. If you need any of my artisans to do some work for you, please just let me know. Just send me a text, Mr. Bright, I need XYZ person, and then I'll send it to you. There's a reason why I don't put them on the channel like I used to do before. And I want to protect myself. Yes, I need to protect myself and my integrity. Everything is at stake. I need to protect myself first. And so I've taken their names and everything off. You can always reach out to me. Let me know that you are the one seeking for this person, and then I can give that person to you. Okay? So take your time and study all my videos in case you have doubt. If you need references, yes, I'm going to provide references for you. And so you can contact them and know the kind of person that I am. And then you can give me your contract, your project, and then I'm going to do it for you, one step at a time. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you've not. And from me to you, shalom. God bless you wherever you are. Bye-bye.